ahead of Sereneo. So you can see the location map here. Mondia is beside the Sereneo. So this is Mondia. It's also by Alveo Land with a view of Mount Makiling. So makikita nyo po yung mga lupa is like hilly. So mataas yung elevation ng ating mga bahay. So mas maganda yung view. And also yung hangin po ngayon, it's 12 o'clock in noon, 12 noon, pero grabe ang lamig po ng hangin because it's close to Tagaytay na. And this is the Sereneo site with a view of Tagaytay Highlands po. So this is our site development plan. You can see the road elevation. It's 200 meters to 224 meters above sea level po. So mataas yung elevation ng ating mga lupa here in Sereneo. So the main entrance will be on that side, the Eco Living entrance natin. And the amenities will look like this. With a 25-meter lap pool and open spaces. Pool pavilion, it's president lounge, central park, social pavilion, may play area for the kids. There will be a basketball court, a linear park, and pocket parks. This road naman po, it will connect to the other residential projects of Ayala, like the Crescela. It's also it's by Abida Land. Sa likod po siya ng Mondia. Then the road networks will have its road going to Tagaytay na. So Tagaytay will be about maybe less than an hour drive from here in Nuvali po.